Hey guys, this is Chris with Driver Motorsports here with another episode of Real Wheel Horsepower. We got Dan's car here. This is a R32 Gtr. It came in fresh off the boat. We put an O2 sensor in it and we made a pull on the dyno to check out the air-fuel ratios. It wasn't good. You can see that in one of the other last videos we had. So what we did is we put a Haltech Platinum Pro in here and Josh tuned it. We should be able to make full pull now, and we got her on the dyno. Let's fire her up and see what kind of numbers she makes. All right guys, we made a full pull. She made 261 horsepower and 228 foot-pounds of torque. It's on stock boost, okay? This is like totally stock boost, like 9 PSI. So that's what she's gonna make for right now. Dan can pick up his car now and enjoy it, and then he's gonna bring it back to us actually and have us do a single turbo upgrade. So we'll get that done for him, and then we'll make some new numbers and see what she'll make at that point. So make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome dyno videos from Driver Motorsports.